So here's a cool old rig that the boys pulled out of the bush. It's going to be kind of hard, I think, to see it in the detail. So it's on wood skids, wood cross frame. So it's a winch setup. There's the operator's chair. Levers for the hand, foot pedals, springs, levers, bars to pull on, make things stop and go. So probably main cable and the haulback straw line, I guess, there. Relatively light duty chain going on right here. A bit of a clutch system there, I guess. Gas pot, flathead of some nature. Kind of a cool setup here for the shifter. So you go, goes out to there, there, and down in here. There's things you don't see anymore. Days gone by. An alternator, interestingly enough, compared to a generator. Interesting stuff. The keys are in it. So probably just needs a little bit of WD-40 and jump start. Should be a runner. Put her back to work. Or not. Would have been cool to know when the last time this thing worked and made money. And who was running it, who was jumping on it, pulling the levers, pressing down on these guys with their boots. Lots of drama, lots of noise, smoke, cursing. Not exactly sure how you would anchor it down when you're doing all your pulling. Somebody out there will know that answer. What you tie it back to when you're doing your work. Be nice to have it out away from all this other gear here so you can kind of see everything that was going on. Cool setup. Dyed in the wool antique right there. That's what somebody was doing for hauling wood out of the bush in days gone by. Anyway, talk to you later.